On tower. They're running big.
Did it.
I got nothing.
Did it.
Did it. Just no Josh.
Cypher's B main.
Watching. Watching for you.
Think
Breach is one shot. Breach is one
Spike
shot.
down B.
Reaches dink. Oh yes.
I'm behind them.
Big coin.
Yes,
big
so
coin, big
yes. He's that.
Yo.
84 on Cypher.
Shot through smoke again. Tower one for sure.
Last
That's
player
him.
coin.
standing.
Breach one. No, he's not 50
One.
HP. Both sides.
My God. Dude.
Why do you fucking that?
40, bro.
Dude, I shot fucking out
Yeah,
through
my
smoke.
bad. Oh yeah, that one was all me, guys.
Did it.
shit.
Did it. Did it.
Darn.
Bye. Bonus round. Dude. Bye.
Bye bye.
You guys want to stack game in? You guys want to stack game in?
All set up.
Yeah, let's stack him in.
Okay, after they stun, I'm stunning them back.
Do
you wanna smoke him in, the entrance?
Welcome to Valorant.
Yeah, you should. You guys should play heavy sands and get ready to go
Did
through.
you watch last game, One Leaf? The way they were
Leave me
shooting.
alone. Leave me alone.
Did it. Did it. Did it. Did it. Did it.
Teleport's ready.
Just the way they shoot, it's too funny.
Really?
B.
They might
Arcade
be
again.
going.
Arcade again. Arcade again.
You want me to stun tower? They tower?
Yeah, stun it. Stun it.
Fucking. Oh yeah. One B main.
Spike
One
down.
B main.
I'm
You saw one
deeping
B
it.
main. You saw one B main.
I know.
The stun on arcade. Oh my god, he's fucking arcade.
Yeah, what'd you think was gonna happen? One arcade, one B main.
One enemy remaining.
That arcade.
Last guy is so
Wait,
low. I lit his
it's
ass
a Vandal.
up.
I think it's a Vandal arcade behind the box.
He's hit
There
for
is, there
70.
is.
Hit
It's
for
on the jet.
70. Hit for 70.
I think he's gonna go arcade. He's gonna go arcade, like under us, I think.
Under? I'm holding under.
The bulldog arcade.
He's hella low. I
Peek
lit him
Brim,
up
peek
good.
him, peek him. Yes.
The bulldog from Miracle.
And just shoot like they did
Okay.
the other team.
You think so? But they're not here anymore.
Okay, just shoot like
He's
that.
not underpass. I don't know. Did it?
Did it?
Did it?
I didn't know.
Okay, these guys
I
going
did it,
all the way
don't know.
around dish. Or CT spawn.
That's what I'm
He's
thinking.
going CT spawn, bro. Did it?
I'm not kidding. He's hella low. I got him probably like 10 times.
30
40.
seconds
He hit me back with the did it.
Last player standing.
48.
Yes, Cam.
Clutch.
Oh my, he's shooting like they are. Did it?
Did it?
That was insane. That's actually
That was
insane.
actually
Thing
insane.
they'll see before they die. Lucky them.
Bulldog? Yeah, I know. That shit just fucking melted me.
That's a good spot.
Our team is some ass.
I'm not losing that.
We're not losing that. You and I, Rez, we would never lose that.
Oh, he full running gun me for 139. This guy said 1 HP. We hit him 88. He didn't die.
Yeah, I thought I did more. I'm not gonna lie.
No matter, I would have won.
I have 42. Stunning?
On the B main.
Guard are winning
Wait,
everything?
B-main.
Okay.
I can't not push.
Flash. Okay. Out aim in. Breach has no flashes. They smoked.
I have a Bucky.
I don't think they've opened sand yet. They could be up dish too.
Teleport's ready.
I'm big corner CT up the Molly.
Spike planted.
There's a trip close spawn somewhere, Care.
Stun. Where do you want it?
Amen, one amen.
Stunning him, amen. Go.
One more amen, Cypher.
Lights out.
I'm flashing.
One top side.
One pick on
Breach
a
is
one
top
shot.
side.
Molly.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
112 jet. 112
Nice,
jet.
nice.
112 jet. Top side.
Last player standing.
Here's right now.
Yeah, that was intentional.
Bye bye. One out.
International fabric.
Yeah, it's fun out, guys.
Get me back to practice, bro. I miss practice so much.
Just looking like an alt F4. No.
A gift.
Yep.
I'm gonna play B here.
Stunning him in early. I'm gonna flash it and leave after. Chamber, maybe just off angle. Amen.
They have Cypher ult, don't dying.
I see. Sorry. I just never know.
Teleport's ready.
They walked up A last round.
Trap destroyed.
Dish.
I'm smoking dish.
Okay, ASAP. Good smoke G. Did it? They have breach ult.
Chambers arcade. Breach arcade.
We're good.
They have breach ults.
One's in, one's in main.
Flashing arcade.
Smoking
Flashing
in.
arcade.
Nah, if he's still lurking. Where's it?
Oh, yeah, they're in. He ran in looking
default.
straight.
One enemy remaining.
Last one up, pushing up. Inside.
Last
Fucked
guy.
off.
I
Wait.
think you heard him in smoke.
Last player
You
standing.
did hear him.
Push.
Dude, what the f-
Teleport's ready.
30 seconds left. Spike planted. Clutch.
Pay attention. I learned something.
We
Warmest
don't
aloha.
have- We don't
Getting breach diffed.
have-
That
Ah,
works.
fuck me. Alright.
I think these guys have a dish lurker every round.
Oh, I think I win that.
I would win that too.
Teleport's ready.
You didn't go, did it? Okay.
They made one.
Smoke's
I
down.
smoked them in.
Do.
They're in. They're through.
All
You
enemies
dash power, I think, no?
One. Flashing him.
blinding. Back soon.
He's up top, Raptor. Dead.
My ult is ready.
Cutting the ring.
Wow, man. 80. 80. No bullets.
You're pushing me!
Two more. Last two there.
Hey, I'm gonna shoot like
80
them.
to 1. 80 to Brim.
They're both at 80. Brim's one shot actually.
Nice. Wait. No, wait.
Brim hit
I
120.
did 80 to Brim.
Breach hit 90.
He reopened the
See
door,
my
I'm
luck
going up
here?
top.
Getting
Getting
orb.
orb.
Grabbing orb.
On brim.
Yeah, breach ult. They're both low.
Prepare for hellfire.
Last player standing.
Guard Van.
Brim is one.
1. B, it's that. I can't even imagine the comms. Yo.
30 seconds left.
It won every close round possible.
I need one every time. I don't even want to all. I want to practice shooting like they do.
Oh, just wanna fucking
You're a dish.
catch one singular break. Huh?
Did you?
Yeah.
No, I'm asking.
yeah.
They were not blind. You flashed, but they weren't blind. I don't know. I thought that would
That's a
have
good
pulled
Oh,
blind.
they weren't. Took 2 hours.
Text trial for guard. Oh yeah.
Nah, but you pushed me though.
Can't
That's
shoot like that. Fluorescent didn't,
mean-
so why can't I?
Fighting them that up.
Stunning him, man.
That's why I was bad.
These players are fucking perfect players, man.
Tired, this ain't you.
You want to play? Let's play.
Easier.
Watching it.
I'm gonna op him in.
Look at this from them.
They're probably walking
That's
empty
what
main
I'd
with
say.
chamber up.
One's arcade, one drop.
Dude.
2 arcade. I think. One for sure.
I'm peeking. This
Running
shit's
arcade.
too
Teleport's
boring.
ready. They found my trap.
One dish.
Fuck, 120 jet, last 2
down
dish. 120 jet, last 2 dish.
I'm blind. Out on me.
One enemy remaining.
Dude, he ults there.
Spike planted.
Why honestly wouldn't surprise me if you two-load both of them.
Cutting through.
No cap.
No op anywhere, right?
Gun here.
No, Chamber was.
I don't
Then we need to
Yeah,
get.
they didn't have
Yeah,
one.
January can come fast enough.
What you hoped for?
Can you spell out you ain't functions your Sam Samo?
I'm
Okay, but
done
I can
playing.
learn.
Safe B man.
Is that not
Stun
crazy?
it.
They actually shoot like this with perfect precision. How?
Go flash and rush it.
That's not normally.
Yeah, I got a good spot for this.
You want me to smoke?
Yeah, smoke deep.
That works. That's a good spot.
I have ult for A. If they're running sands, I'm gonna ult sands. If somebody wants to play here.
Get out of my way!
Teleport's ready.
Nothing dish lurk right now. I'm gonna leave. Anything B?
Yeah,
There's a couple outside B main, yeah. Jet and one other.
I see nothing dish. I'm gonna just leave.
One deep aim in. If I die from
I'm
dish,
coming
gonna
back to
lose.
you. They can peek you from dish, by the way, Broker.
Not good.
I'm back here. It's okay. Your angle.
come on, B.
Ult them. I mean, ult them if you guys want. Malting them. He has no fast retake.
I know exactly where you are.
Ready?
Yeah.
Mollied. I'm mollied.
D man.
I'm close, can't see any. TP it away. I'm gonna brim this with Cypher's tower.
30 seconds.
Tower.
Brim's probably in sight.
One slant, one B main, one tower.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
149? Oh my god.
149? I'm not.
Stand a chance, bro. They all just perfectly hide.
Zuttle better watch their backs.
Oh, I didn't even know what to ult because our Yoru's in the bomb site.
Breach diff?
A gift.
A huge one.
No way that.
What can I do?
Reyna
I'm
one trick
rotating
on
in and out of a
breach.
bomb site. I can sit tower if you guys want with the shotgun.
I'm
I think
about
we
to
should always
do-
have a guy tower, no cap.
That's what I'm doing. They have Brim ult in one here. Probably B again. These guys just wait a minute and a half and then they go up
PV
B every
Neo
round.
FPS
How
in
the
2 months.
fuck?
TV_Neo FPS just subscribed.
I could literally sit
Cypher
here
man.
on TikTok before they end up doing something.
Because
for
literally just
30
watching
seconds.
Snats play
I know,
and
I
then
could
running his
literally
shit.
Sit here, watch TikTok for 30 seconds before they do something.
I don't want to jump spot arcade and show that I'm in tower.
Net and
Yeah,
Valen are
yeah.
fist bumping each other? Yeah, I mean, wouldn't surprise me whatsoever.
Nice. Oh. Dude.
One B main.
I'm stunned.
Nice kills. No, man.
Unlucky. 2 arcade.
Running away. I stunned arcade.
Could have went under. Got my phantom.
Smoke's fading soon.
One aim in, right side aim in one.
Trap destroyed.
One dash.
Drop.
Smoking drop.
Yeah, they got breach
That
ults
breach ult's
again.
fine.
Could go back. I think one side B.
I think so too.
Look at
I'm
these
anchoring.
guys.
30 seconds left.
Telling you, chat. 30 seconds of TikTok.
They can go canteen technically.
They can't now. He's watching it.
Stun arcade.
Flash A.
10
Coming out.
seconds left.
Alright. Stun from dish.
He's running back.
They're saving.
What the hell is going on?
What are these sweaty losers doing, bro? They have max econ. Why are they saving?
Please do not mistake. my
$0
smile.
on the line.
Take
Guys,
this
behind you,
song
gun.
very seriously.
Yo, what the fuck?
That works.
You got him?
Bye.
Or you want to buy? You wanna
Could
opt
you
this one?
imagine someone saying that in real life? I feel like some shit somebody would
Chamber.
say, like if you're a fan of a team
I mean,
in the stands.
not
3 a.m.
by-
up 6-2, they save.
Sorry, I joke.
Alright, Brim ult breach
Hey,
ult
mad
is,
hater.
Teleport's
tower,
ready.
no?
I can't even imagine saying these words.
I just sit here on my fucking dick before they do something, man.
Off your feet!
One's B. Open B.
Prepare for hellfire!
Try not
Left
to
you alone.
lurk in
Good luck.
A.
I'll return.
I'm flashing out
What
this.
if I do if it's
Spike
stimmy?
planted.
One, two.
I got his brain there.
Re-smoking.
Pink side.
One okay, one okay, one okay.
Enemy spotted.
Left side. Nice. Flashing out this. Turn.
One
Tower,
enemy
Tower,
remaining.
tower. He's mollied. He's mollied.
don't
He's mollied.
care.
Not a good molly. You can still spam it.
God, stick that joint. Stick that joint. Stick that joint. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, get off. Oh.
Idiot. Here.
What can you wallbang on me?
Dude, that's too fucking
You're wallbang
funny.
the whole thing, but you need
Dude,
a heavy
stay
gun.
mad, hater.
If you
Oh,
are
you can
not
wall
doing
ring
well,
with the Vandal.
keep trying.
What?
You must keep up appearances.
I think
I'm
only
gonna start
through
using
the.
that one. I
through
fucking
the,
love that shit
like,
from you,
the
Logan.
glass.
Call me out on my shit.
That's
I'm
a
playing
good
distance
spot.
run.
Yeah.
Penny, Whippy, and Oxy. Is that actually a team? Sam, did you hear that?
Out-
Huh?
out-
About that? Penny, Whippy, and Oxy are on G2.
Teleport's ready.
I don't know.
That's crazy, huh?
Look, I'm gonna
Oxy,
sit
no more
here
LFT.
on TikTok where they do anything.
Stun B main. Running up fast.
Yep, I smoke B main. Molly them.
No,
Gets in.
man. Guardnet's gonna
Could be in
lurk
canteen.
A.
Yep.
He
He is.
Spotted. B.
Feels fake. This jet's overextending.
It is fake.
That's a fake.
Smoking A main.
Yep, he's up. He passed 2 trip.
On side.
I'll see him.
Standing. Standing, bro.
I'll go kill him.
Standing back
On the
left.
left.
Re-smoking main.
Spike planted.
Drop. He's shooting like them. Do-do-do-do-do.
One enemy remaining.
Do-do-do-do-do-do. Ace.
Oh, you're the best.
Hey!
Dude.
Fine. Op CT spawn.
Dun it, dun it, dun
Get
it.
it, I'll get it.
It worked
Defuse,
out.
defuse.
Damn, they're all shooting
You guys
like
can both
that.
defuse. Just defuse.
Did it. Did it. Did it.
A.
Did it.
Stay mad, hater.
She's so fine.
We showed them their place. Now keep them there.
Here.
What a pace change fake. I was actually kind of sick, yeah.
A gift.
Can you put your trip tucked?
There.
I'm always gonna use that.
Yes.
That works.
Thank you.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Dude, it's it's the way to go. Shoot like fluorescent.
Arcade. Fast arcade.
I have ult. You play retake. I can play ult, fast ult.
I can ult it if you
Time to
want.
jump.
They smoke B.
Well,
Running up B.
I'll handle this.
Nobody in spawn smoke.
They stim through B main.
Here.
There's a
Two
lot
tower
of
right
power.
now.
Lot power and one.
Clearing out.
One tower.
Enemy remaining.
Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Yo, you guys understand, they're
Last
coming like it's a
round in
VCT
the
match,
half.
and all I hear on our team is did it.
Did it.
Well, obviously. They care way
Here
more.
it comes.
That's a good spot.
Somehow I'm ranked 2, and I care less
Yeah.
than they do.
Yes.
Wait, you fell? Weren't you ranked low?
No, I lost last time. I lost it.
Can I buy? Get it. Can someone find me, please? Pretty please. Nice. One more. Nice. One more.
Now,
Alright, guys. We
since
got
they
a
lost it,
lot
they're
of
gonna
guns
go
in
slow.
spawn. Remotes here. They have ults in one.
Flash arcade. Can it be
Prepare for hellfire.
Oh man.
Let's smoke B.
2
What
arcade?
the fuck going on over here?
Gets up close. Used by Jen.
120 on Brim.
Now we're cooking. My ult's ready.
Planning
Here.
default.
Spike planted.
120 Brim. 50 Cypher.
One more arcade chamber.
I'm not peeking.
Blinding. Teleport's ready.
I think tower.
Nah.
Last
I'm on the
player
right.
standing.
What a
One
fantastic
enemy
swing at
remaining.
finesse. That's what doesn't show on the scoreboard. Right there.
Switching
Oh,
sides.
fantastic. Fantastic.
Yeah.
You love that, right?
Love that.
Everybody go.
Wait, can we do chief strat? Do you guys know chief
I'm
strat?
down.
Yeah, stay mad, hater.
Alright, come here. Everybody be main. Okay. Chamber, go aim in. Alright, Brim, you're the most important person on this strat, okay? So try to follow.
We can win.
The
bro.
smokes are here, and here. We are rushing canteen to B, or canteen to A. Canteen to A.
We lost, but okay.
No, this works every time I do it, okay? The 2 smokes get us in. This smoke
Morse code
keeps them
bursting,
from
like,
refighting
actually.
us.
Time so don't
Kinda
fuck it up.
surprised y'all
Alright,
made
I'll
6
ping it
honestly, me
again.
too.
One there, one
They stopped going A.
One
They
there,
started
and then
going
one
fast.
back
That's
of Gen.
pretty
So they
dope.
can't
Got it.
fight us through B.
Call them.
Now.
No. My decoy got the fucking strip. We're
Reach
so
is
lucky.
close. Reach is
I'm
close.
gonna stun or some shit.
Close door.
Yep,
one.
chamber
One more,
smoke.
one more.
That's close.
Keep
door.
shot. 90, 90. I'm going in.
Jet sand. Jet sand.
30. 90 on fucking chamber.
CT, I think. Take bomb.
I have some spike.
Like a charm,
Like a
fellas.
fucking
Like a
charm,
charm.
yeah.
Not over. Round's not over. Round is not over.
One enemy
Round is
remaining.
over. GG.
No,
Round
no.
is over. GG.
Du-du-du.
Uh-oh,
this guy's alive.
55. 55. 55. Du-du-du-du-du. That shot's insane.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna take that
I
for
don't
next
Take
year.
that, take that, take
5
that.
of them or 50 of them.
What is that called? Fish strat? What is that?
I call it cheap strat. It's from it. Chief strat. That's a
I'm
certified.
gonna call that the raccoon special.
strat.
Prometheus,
The
I'm gonna call
raccoon
it.
special.
Prometheus.
Prometheus.
That works.
Prometheus canteen. Let's go.
I'm about to get one digged. if I
I'm gonna make
Logan.
noise arcade. I'm gonna make noise arcade.
One digged by Logan. Just
Embarrass them.
okay. Let me take care of Logan, guys. Sit back. Sit back.
Cutting through.
Thank you, everyone.
I'm gonna strip out. Whoever's that.
I used everything on this fucking guy.
Arcade. Ah! I got one. She has a phantom in tower, guys. Wait, losable.
Is that a
One tower
phantom in
with a
spawn or
phantom.
respect there?
1 HP tower.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. Yo, phantom.
CT,
tower,
smoke.
did it?
It's
I think
Logan.
a
It's
phantom,
Logan.
Logan,
It's Logan.
Jen.
It's Logan.
Launching smoke.
Oh, it's the
Yeah,
hater.
smoke that shit. Smoke that joint. Yeah.
Stay mad, hater.
Yeah. Stay mad, hater.
Wait, get my phantom tower. Phantom tower, guys.
Give it.
Phantom tower.
I thought this guy got it up top.
GG.
Stay alive.
It's okay. I'll judge.
Stay mad, hater.
Can I
I can just buy you one.
No, it's okay. I want the judge. Get me into sands. I'll kill the chamber here every
I'm
round.
mentioning from main.
What are you doing, Raccoon?
That's a good spot.
4-man sands at least.
Send off rip.
Okay.
Stunning him in,
Take
yeah?
this from them. I'm
Stunning off.
rushing
Sure,
into their
okay.
spawn.
Yeah, stun one.
Yeah, I'm stunning him in. I'm
Right
flashing
there.
this. Unless it's too
Time
late.
to jump. Dim beacon here.
Flashing right now. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he light peeks me. Great.
Decoy.
Guys, we're going sands, not main. We're going sands, not main.
I'm going main.
You've been smoke cheed.
I'm top D! Baker!
I got him.
One spawn.
Flashing.
Flash.
Too slow.
Drop.
One enemy
Stay
remaining.
mad, hater.
Last
Nice.
guy,
Mad
probably tower.
hater.
He retake tower last time.
Drop! Now I'm playing.
He could be. We don't know. Give stun one. Ollie.
You could have caged the strip, no?
Stay mad, motherfuckers.
Wait, you actually have to go like this.
Remember when I was getting breach diffed?
Drink some water.
Oh, yeah. And that changed
Let's
real
get back
quick.
out there.
Yep.
But I don't
All
think
I need
he's
is a
gotten the
little
kill since we
motivation.
said
Did
that.
it? Did it?
Need a drop.
Oh, good shit. I didn't realize.
Good shit.
Good shit, dude.
Good shit, guys. For
Good
real.
shit, bro. Nice job,
What do you
Pinocchio.
think about Chamber's nerfs? I mean, I'm happy about them.
I knew it
Can
was
we change the
Raph
title to
1v1
I'm
D-man
happy
there.
about Chamber being nerfed?
That one round. GG's. Where are we going this round?
Who will I spot
Just
first?
arcade again.
I'm gonna go
Arcade
hug
beast
our
split, I
breach at
guess.
arcade.
Alright,
Yeah,
bet.
coming. I'm really late though.
Flashing in 3, 2, 1.
What the?
Enemy spotted.
Lady.
I might
Reload.
shoot like them.
Flashing high.
Time to
Flashing
jump.
once
that.
across.
Down. All set up.
Flashing tower.
Reloading.
Guys, like shorty in tower. You cannot TP out of
Big flank.
tower. I broke his
Fucking knew
TP.
it. Big flank. Two arcade. One flank. One arcade.
Last player standing.
Arcade.
Kill the site.
Thrifty.
Oh,
That's right.
I saw world. I
Fuck.
saw
No,
world. It's
no,
fine. They have
no,
breach ult.
it's
They
okay.
don't.
I got flashed by our breach.
Come on.
I should have
Get
waited.
the
Really?
line of fire.
Yeah, I swung in.
My fault.
You trying to win this round? Oh wait, we got money. Shit, fine.
I breach ult. You wanna
go
use it?
B again, right? That's pretty easy.
Yeah, let's go B. I'm gonna ult, and then you walk tower, and then I'll.
Problem
throw
is the trips,
shit.
guys. I really think just don't get hit by the trips because
Where's
he might
the
be
trip
playing
at?
retake.
Just send our Yoru clone up, B main.
Where's the trip
Yeah,
at?
exactly. Trips
do
are
it,
here, and I
That
think here.
works.
I think right here.
I'm gonna decoy like this to this.
Alright, that's fine.
He has a
Flashing
trip
this again?
further out.
Watching it.
Blinding.
Feeling sight.
Blasting.
Canteen, one canteen, I'm saying.
I can ult them
In
all.
tower, chamber.
Tower.
Keep it away, keep it away, keep it away, keep it away.
You want to breach out jet? I can go off.
Ken, call it.
Now. Oh, I got hit by it. That's a little unlucky.
It's fine.
Yeah, he's
Look, Jen.
right smoking jet. 112 jet. 112 jet.
I know exactly where you are.
See flash again.
Breach canteen.
One more time.
I'm not watching canteen no more. I'm watching now, what a flash.
Finding them all.
All three out.
Site.
Don't peek, don't peek.
112 jet on dice.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Default. Oh no, halving.
Nice try.
Breach that and not tower.
Bro.
That's right.
No, bro, no.
We didn't get hit
mess.
by the ult.
Yeah, I didn't know you guys wanted more left. I could have done way more left.
okay.
Precious batteries. I may need a return.
I think we take arcade every time we go arcade.
We
can
do,
just
but
keep
they
taking
over-rotate
arcade.
off that. Maybe somebody walk into A and big flank.
With it's Cypher setup A though.
True.
I'm down,
That's
but-
true too. Fuck. You right. Probably hard.
I
to
really
do that.
think just slam 4 arcade is the easiest strat.
I'm down.
Just with your util and a judge,
I'm not
they
thinking
have
B main.
no trips.
I have no seed this round. I'm
I'm not
coming.
getting out B man.
We got our sim beacon over here.
Yeah.
5 here.
You
Watching.
want to play? Let's play.
He's upping here.
It's here.
He's there.
Cutting their vision.
Time to jump.
One site.
One tower.
Dead.
That was him. Oh wait, I don't know if that was him.
I'm going to
Breach has
tower.
no flashes.
My ult's ready.
It's good, Jen. Bye.
140 breach. 140 breach and smoke.
Breach smoking
One
jet.
enemy remaining.
Nice, great job. Watch your flank. Oh yeah.
Nice shot.
You gotta shoot like
Yo,
that.
Som. Nice shot, Som.
I hate waiting.
Oh, there's a gun there.
Do
bro.
this.
Back to Sands. GG. Back to 4-man Sands.
I come on,
Okay, I'm at,
Hey.
they're gonna stun you guys. I don't think you guys should just wait for the stun out. Just wait for the stun, then I'll stun.
Yeah.
I'm ulting out.
Jet, they're jet late peaks.
Sam, can
I
you keep
think
me?
we
I'll
should
take it. I'll
play
take it. I'll
this.
I
take
can
it.
kill him. I can kill chamber.
Oh wait, the Cypher is here now, right?
Wait, are you gonna call my stun then, Yura?
Eyes off me.
I will, yeah.
Cutting
Alright,
No
you call
noise,
it.
no noise, guys, no noise.
I'll handle it.
Fast, vamos.
Stim beacon down.
I'm
Watching.
following Yoru.
What, the whole side's clear?
Two stands. Judge on ping.
Get out of there, Mike. Get in.
Oh, I'm on a trip.
Watching.
Flash out.
One going tower. There's a
They have
cam
a cam
above
on
you.
you, Press. They see you.
Broken.
Out sands, man. Dude, that Yorukun fucked me.
I can't even plan.
Spike
Smoke
down.
goes away. Perfect. Nice. More close left. Close left.
Last player
Whoa,
standing.
yeah, flash.
Oh
My god, guard is down. The guard is down.
Guard is.
Trust me. Say we'll make mistakes.
I'll fuck with
When
that.
they do, take it.
Oh.
I'll fuck with that. That's hard.
Rez, I like that. I like that.
That's hard. I fuck with that.
No. Now you type "stay mad hater." Love that. We're in their heads. Now they're gonna push.
They have no money for rifles.
No money.
At all.
Cutting through.
Wait, what was that? That was hard.
Nothing. Flashing.
Get the fuck out of here.
Cancel.
I got
Oh.
fully blind.
Spike dropped. Fake.
We missed via the interlockers. No cap. No cap on the
Flashing
stack.
sands. 3, 2, 1.
They have shotgun
now.
now. Ready.
Fully smoked.
On the flashlight. Flashlight
Tower,
now.
going
One
tower.
right behind you, tower, Som. Watch for a second kill trip.
9 seconds till stun.
Go.
4 seconds till stun.
Reloading.
Cunning.
I
Oh,
spawn
more,
and slowed.
more.
Spawn and slowed.
More now.
Raccoon, I need you to ping bomb.
I got you.
I have spawn.
Drop.
I have drop.
He dropped.
Enemy remaining.
Good job.
Get a gun, Som. Get a gun, Som. Nice, found you guys.
Did it?
Match point.
Did it?
This
Alright,
is
their
gonna
chamber is
line
off
up, I
thing. Run a fake, run a fake. GG.
Oh, I love that. Fake A. Smokes everywhere.
They expect to be
Fake
hit.
A,
Fake B.
fake A.
No, we'll push this chamber back. Come B. Come B.
Oh wait, should fake arcade actually.
yeah,
I agree.
Done. I'll
yeah,
fake
yeah.
arcade. Go.
Can I get a buy, pretty please? Pretty please, Som.
Yeah,
That's not
one
bad.
sec, one sec.
Thank you. Need a drop.
One more for the road.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a
How's the
flash and
game
I'm gonna go hold the disc.
Turned out.
before.
I actually don't know.
there.
I
Fucking
was like
well.
fully prepared to lose this game.
They smoke beam in.
One thing, one tower with a bulldog. Two sight.
Three. Got his
I have a
ass.
pick, I have a pick at A. Pick at
Yeah,
A,
we're
pick at
going
A.
A. Going A. Max 1A.
We must go A. Breach and Brim or B.
He's still tower. Wait.
breach and
what?
B.
Yeah, Jet is
Just walk.
anchoring.
Walk. Just walk. Walk and then last second stem and run in.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Beacon here. My ult's ready.
Never mind.
Launching smoke.
He got an orb. I'm playing offside.
He has
Up
ult.
on my body dish.
Breach
if you
out. Breach
wanna-
out. Breach out.
Spike planted.
We have ult and volley for
Excuse
bomb.
me.
Excuse me. Say I got a dong.
You got a what?
I got a
What
dong.
does that mean? Dong.
Means I got a poop. Say dong.
Off your
Dong.
feet.
Got a dong?
You should fight
Yeah,
this
I
for a
got a
second.
dog.
Same thing, watch it, ready?
Volley. Ult.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Yeah.
Very
You
well.
waited like
I fuck
that?
with
Oh
that. I
my
fuck with
god.
that.
Of course.
I fuck with that.
Make him think you dish. Yeah,
why
make
you
him
put
think you
me in
dish.
charge.
Nope.
I'll never retire.
Fucking. Yeah?